So we've been talking about compliance, being compliant versus what does it mean if I'm being compliant versus incriminating myself. Being compliant doesn't mean you're answering questions. That's not what I'm talking about. Being compliant means the officer asks you for identification, provide it. The officer asks you to step out of the car, step out of the car, but don't do field sobriety tests. The officer says, I'm placing you under arrest, don't argue with him. That's what your attorney's there for. That's what compliance is not making the officer's job more difficult. But I'm not talking about giving self-incriminating evidence either. I'm not saying go do field sobriety tests. I'm not saying answer all of his questions about where you were coming from and how much you had to drink that night. That's something I'm advising you not to do. So just because I'm saying to be compliant, I'm not saying you should just give up the ghost and tell him everything that happened that night and do field sobriety tests. That is definitely not what I'm saying. People make a lot of mistakes when they get pulled over for an OUI. Don't make the biggest mistake by hiring the wrong legal team or attorney. Instead, call the attorneys at the Maine Criminal Defense Group now.